Stefano. You will know him from bands such as Papa Chubby and Blue Velvet and many, many more.
Yes.
On the bass guitar, would you put your hands together for the one and the only Grammy-nominated musician, my old man, yes, that's my old man, ever played all around the world with the best of the best, Big Daddy Red!
Do it, Big Daddy!
Ladies and gentlemen, will you put your hands together for the young man on the guitar? Yep, that's my boy. He's also our fearless leader, and we call him Lightning. So, give it up for Lightning, everybody!
Thank you so much. We are Memphis Lightning, built on the blues and wired for rock and roll. Stefano, would you start me off? I'm gonna need everybody's help. Can you help the boy out?
Yeah!
Wait a minute. Can you help the boy out?
Yeah!
Watch the hands. Just like that, yeah. Oh, yeah. One, two, three.
Thank you.